Hey guys, I'm Banu Suhas and welcome back to my channel Obora Academy. Today we are gonna do the quantitative reasoning Sudoku problems. So to do the Sudoku problems for today, I wanted you all to bring your book and then a pen so that you could work out and do your Sudoku problems. So I'm getting players. Dharaninath, Nandini, Bhavyaswini. Yeah, I'm getting players. Good. So I wanted you all to bring your book and pen so that you could do your Sudoku problems. Hmm, I'm waiting for players. If you are ready with your book and pen, and if you are ready to start, I just wanted you all to give a thumbs up in the chat box. Oh, sorry. Today we are not going to do it in Kahoot. Today, as I said, we are going to do the Sudoku problems. We are going to do it in the Jamboard. Sorry for today, Malone. Tomorrow onwards, you will again have your Kahoot. Mm, good. Hi, Shivani. Karthik. So I wanted you all to give the thumbs ups. So when I give the thumbs ups, I can start my today's session. Oh, I have got many thumbs ups. Good. So now let me share my screen so that let's start with our today's session. So hope you all could see my screen. So here you have your Jamboard with the Sudoku problems. So here is your first problem in Sudoku. So here I wanted you all to give the answers in the chat box. Hmm, for the first row like that. Hmm, okay. Okay. Hmm. I wanted you all to give the answers. So now let me say my answer how to do this problem. Many people have many answers. Sudoku doesn't have only one answer. Sudoku has many answers. So here let me give my answer for the question. So here you have the numbers, right? So to do first, let's start from a single column. So now let's take the second column. Okay, in the second column we already have two numbers. So here 4 and then 1. So we are left with two numbers, 2 and then 3. So now let us see where to place them. So if you place the number 3 over here, the number 3 and then the another number 3 are in the same row. It shouldn't be there. So now let's just put the 3 over here, and oh sorry. Okay, now let me just put the 2 over here so that you could get your answer for this column. So again here 4, 2 and 3. The leftover number is 1. Okay, hope till now everybody understood. So we already have the number 3 over here. So the leftover numbers are 2 and 4. So 4 you cannot put it over here because already there is a 4 in this row. So then we'll put the 4 over here and the leftover number is 2. So let me just put the number 2 over here. So now let's check this row. Here only 1 is not there. 3, 4 and 2 are there, but 1 is not there. So now just let's put 1. Let's just put 1. So now let's go even got for the first row. The third row. Here also it is same like that. See for the leftover numbers. The numbers are 2 and 1. So here you can place 2 because here if you place 1, already the 1 is over here. So so now let me place 2 over here so that here the number would be 1. So the leftover number in this column is 2 and the leftover number in this column is 3. So your Sudoku is completed. So I wanted you all to check whether you have got the correct answer. So see 1, 3, 4, 2. The number is not repeated. 4231, again the number is not repeated, and 2413, again the number is not repeated, and 3124, the number is not repeated. So I hope everybody understood how to do this problem. So without any delay, let's move on to the second. I wanted people to just see a just quick recap of your answers. So now let me move to the second question without any delay. So here you have your second question. So I wanted everybody to think and answer. Just keep it in your paper. When I give the explanation, if you just get the correct answer, just give the thumbs up in the chat box. Good. So now let me. So now let me just give the answer for you. So in the first row, the leftover numbers are 3 and 4. So let us just see where to place the numbers. So if you place the number 3 over here, no problem. But you should not place the number 4 over here because in this column 4 is already repeated. So you should 4 is already there. So that you should not give the number 4. So that you should give the number 3. So here you get the number 4. Correct. Okay. The first row we have got. So in this row 1 and 2 are there. So the leftover numbers are 3 and 4. Again you should not give the 4 over here because in this column 4 is there. So now let me just give 3 over here. So over here it will be 4. So hope till now understood. So now let us just see the third row. So in the third row 2 and 4 numbers are there. So the leftover numbers are 3 and 1. So you should not place the number 1 over here because already the number 1 is there. Already the number 1 is there. So now let us put the number 3. So here the number would be 1. Okay. And again in this row 4 and 2 the numbers are there, and the leftover numbers are 1 and 3. So over here you cannot put 1, over here you cannot put 3. So if you just swap it, you can put 1. If you see 2, 3 and 4, the leftover number is 1. And 1, 4, 2, and the leftover number is 3. Okay, and even this Sudoku has got completed. Hmm. So hope you all saw the answer. So now let's move on to the third question. So here you have the third question. Now let me just zoom it. So a minute. Oh, a minute. Okay, here you have the question. So yeah, I have got many answers. Good. So I wanted you all to give the answers in the chat box. Hereafter, I'm not going to give the answers. You will have to give me the answers and I will just fill in the boxes. Okay? Hmm. Okay, I have got one answer for the previous question. Now I have moved to the third question. I'm waiting for the answers. Oh, okay, I have got one answer, and now let us just fill it and see. So for the first row they are saying 2, 3, 4, 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, we can get the number 2, 3, 4, 1. Good. So second row is 3, 1, 4, 2. Good. 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay. Again good. I'm waiting for. Okay, I have got two answers again. From Lakshmi, Jaipal, and Lakshmi and Mahalakshmi, and you did good. So Okay, second row also I have got the answers, and I am waiting for the third row answers. In the last we can check. Actually there is an error, so let me just say it in the last. What error was it? Third row, okay, I am getting the answers. Some are giving 1, oh, all are giving 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, okay. 1, 2, oh, here 3 is there, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, oh. Third row is, you have a confusion, okay. So let me just give the answer, the correct answer. So let me just rub. So, oh, okay. Let me just give the answers. Even you may have got the correct answer, but there was a mistake, so don't worry. So that was a good participation, good. So here you could get, some has said that 3 2 3 and 1 4, okay, 2 3 1 4 they have said, but you can get the answer as 2 4, okay. Okay, and now let's, okay, I have just wrote the number with some, I have wrote just the number 4 without doing any calculation. So if you see in this row, two numbers are missing. In 4 and 1 the numbers are 2, and 3 the numbers are missing. So here you cannot write 3, so let me write 3 over here, so I can write 2 over here. So, and then over here the numbers missing are 3 and 4. So I should write 4 because I cannot write 3 because here already 3 is there. So here let me write 4. So here I'll write 3. So the numbers missing are 1 and 4. I cannot write the number 4 over here. So now let me write the number 1, and here let me write the number 4. So 4, 2, 3, and the number left is 1. 1, 3 and 4, the leftover number is 2. And here 4, 3, 2 and the leftover number is 1. Okay. And 4, 1, oh sorry, 4, 1, 2 and the leftover number is 3. Okay. This is the answer, guys, and I wanted just everybody to check. So if everybody have got the correct answer, just give a thumbs up in the chat box so that I can understand. Good. I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. So I'm waiting for the thumbs ups. Okay. Let me just move to the fourth question. Hope you all have got the correct answer only. So here you have your fourth question. Okay. So okay. Here you have your fourth question. So now let's see how to do this. So this just say me the answers in the chat box so quick. I have got 2 thumbs ups from Tejasvi and Advik. Hmm. Okay, I'm not getting answers. So let me wait for some time. Oh, okay. So now let me just say you the answer. So, over here we have two numbers 2 and 1, and the leftover numbers are 3 and 4. So you cannot write the number 3 over here because already the number 3 is there over here, right? So now let me write 4 over here so that here you can write the number 3. So now over here if you see, so the leftover numbers are 1 and 2. So you should not write the number 2 over here. So let me write the number 1 because already 2 is there in that column on that row. So here 1 and then here 2. And the leftover numbers in the first row are the 3 and 4. So I can write anywhere. I can write any number. So I'll just write 3 on this side and 4 on this side. Okay, and then In the second row, the numbers 2 and 3 are missing. So we should write the number 3 over here and then the number 2 over here. 4 and 3, the numbers left over are 2 and 1. So let me write the number 1 over here and then the 2 over here. And then 3 and 2, the leftover numbers are 1 and 4. So let me write the number 1 over here and the number 4 over here. So your Sudoku has got completed so easy. Today all are so easy, so don't worry. So I have got 3 answers. Good. So that is good, guys. So I want just everybody to check. Okay, good. So hope you all understood how to do this problem, and without any delay, now let's move on to the next problem. So here you have the next problem, which is fifth one. So if you want, let me just zoom it. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, here you have it. Okay, so just do. I'll wait for the answers. I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, let me give the answer. Okay, okay, let me wait. In YouTube, you are getting the question late for, so that let me wait for some more time. In which you will have to do the calculation, right? So that it will take some time. Let me give you the answer. So here you have two numbers, right? 1 and 3. So the leftover numbers are 2 and 4. So here you cannot give the number 2 and here you cannot give the number 4. So just give the number 2 over here and 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next. Here you have three numbers. The leftover number is 3. Okay. And here you have again three numbers and the leftover number is 1. And again you have three numbers over here and the leftover number is 3. And here you have 2, here you have 2. So now let's just calculate. So you have the numbers 2 and 4, so the leftover numbers are 3 and 1. So you cannot give the number 1 over here, so just write 3 so that you can get the number 1 over here. Okay, and then here you'll have the numbers 2 and 4, so you cannot give the number 2. Okay, oh, a minute. So there is just an error somewhere. So let's do it again from the first. No worries about that. So sorry about that. Let's do it again from the first so that, okay, we would get some errors, right? Everybody's not that perfect. So here you have 1, right? So we okay, so the leftover numbers are 2 and 4. So that's the same, 2 and 4. The first row is correct, and the second row, here you'll have to get 3, and then in the bottom you'll have to get the number 3 again, and here you'll have to get the number 1. Oh, here only there was some confusion. So here you can get the number 3. Okay, that is what we have done, right? Here you'll have to get the number 1, and the leftover numbers over here are, oh, okay, so here you'll have to write 4 over here and then 2 over here. So that's all. I was just confused, but the question was correct. So hope you all have understood how to do this problem. So now let me just move to the sixth question. So here you have your 6. Again, this is so easy. So I'm waiting for answers for the sixth one. I'm waiting for the answers. So now let me just give the explanation for this. So here we have three numbers, so the leftover number is 2. Okay, and over here again you have three numbers and the leftover number is 3. And here you have three numbers and the leftover number is 3. Okay, here you have two numbers, so the number leftover numbers are 1 and then 4. So you can write 4 over here and then 1 over here. Why I'm saying this? Because not only the rows and columns, you'll even have to check these boxes. Okay, you can see right this corners of the boxes, even you have to see the numbers must be there. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and over here you have the number um, 1 over here. You have three numbers, right? The leftover number is 1. If you check 1 2 3 4, correct. And then over here, so to do it in the easy way, 3 2 1, the leftover number is 4. And then 1 4 3, the leftover number is 2. Or you can do like 1. Okay, so you have the number 1 over here. Okay, okay, you have the number 1 over here. You have also the number 3 over here, right? So you will have to see the other two numbers, 4 and 2. So okay, just okay, 4 and 2, so that if you just calculate with this, you can get the answers. So this is also an easy method. So hope you all understood how we should do this. So now let's move to the seventh question. I want answers for this. So I'm waiting for the answers. So now let me just give the explanation for this. So you have the numbers 4 and then 1, right? So the leftover numbers are 2 and 3. You cannot give the number 3 over here, so that you should give the number 2. And over here you should give the number 3. Okay? And now you have the two numbers. So the leftover numbers are 1 and 4. You cannot give the number 4 over here, so you have to give the number 1, and here give the number 4. So, and then here you have 1 and 4, and the leftover numbers are 3 and 2. You cannot give the number 3 over here, so 2 and 3. Okay, and then so here you have two numbers again, so the leftover numbers are 1 and 4. You cannot give the number 4 over here, so 1 and then 4 over here. Okay, and then here you have 4 and then 1. The leftover numbers are 2 and then 3. So 2 over here, because if you give 3, already 3 is there in this row. So 2 over here and 3 over here. So 3 4 and the leftover numbers are 1 and 2. So here you should give the number 2, because already here the number 2 is there. So 2 and then here 1. Your Sudoku, even your seventh problem is completed. So easy. Am I right? So I have got some answers. I have got one answer. Good. Okay. So now let me move to the eighth question. So here you have your eighth question. Just try. This is gonna be so easy. because you have most of the digits. So now let me give you the explanation. So you will have the numbers 4, 1, the leftover numbers are 2 and 3. You should not give the number 3 over here because already number 3 is there in this column. So let me give 2 over here, so 3 over here. So 3, 1, 4 and the leftover number is 2. 2. And 2, 3, 1 and the leftover number is 4. Okay, and the leftover numbers in this is 2 and 3. Should not give the number 3 over here because already 3 is there. So let me write 2 and then here 3. So let me write 3 over here because the leftover number is 3 in this. So we are completed with these 3 columns, and now let's move to the 4th column. So here 2 and 4 are the missing numbers. So here you cannot give the number 4 and here you cannot give the number 2. So let me write 4 over here and 2 over here. Again our Sudoku has got completed. Isn't this easy? As I said you, we have many digits in this, so this Sudoku has become very easy. Am I right? Okay, I'm waiting for answers. Just give a thumbs up. Okay, if you have got the correct answer. I can understand that many are getting the answers late. Okay, so let me just move to the next question. So here you have the 9th question. I have zoomed it a lot. Even this has become so easy. So let me just give you the explanation. So here 1, 3, 2, 4. So the leftover number is 1. Okay, 2, 4, 3 and the leftover number is 1. And 3, 4, 1 and the leftover number is 2. Okay, till now you have understood, and now let us just calculate. So over here 2 and 3 numbers are there, so the leftover numbers would be 1 and 4. You cannot give the number 4 over here and you cannot give the number 1 over here. So just give 4 over here and give 1 over here. So the leftover number is 2 in this and the leftover number 3 in this. Okay, and over here 2, 1 and 4 and 3. Again the Sudoku has got completed. All are so easy from now on. Am I right? Yeah, of course. Okay, hope everybody understood how to do this. So without wasting time, now let's just move to the next question. Oh, yeah. Here you have your next question. Okay, good. You have it in the center. So I think I have not got any answers. So now let me just give the explanation for this. So 1, 3, 2. So the leftover number is 4. 4, 1. Okay, here 3, 1, 2 and the leftover number is 4. 4, 1, 2 and the leftover number is 3. And here in this box only 1 is not there. So let me just put 1. And over here 1 and 4. Okay, 4, 1, 3, the leftover number is 2. 1, 4, 2 and the leftover number is 3. See again, even this have got completed so fast. Why? Because if you apply some logic in the Sudoku, you can do every problem so easy. And again, you have so many numbers in this, so of course you can get the answer so quick. Am I right? Yeah. So now let me move to the next question. Just give the thumbs up if you have got the correct answer. So let me just move to the 11th question without wasting any time. Today's session is so small, right? Okay. Oh, okay. Here you have your next question. So just take a look at it. This is going to be your last question, guys. So now let me give you the explanation for this problem. So here you have three numbers 1, 2, 3 and the leftover number is 4. And 4, 1 and the leftover, so 4, 1 and the leftover numbers are 2 and 3. You shouldn't give the number 3 over here because already the number 3 is there in this row. Okay, in the first row. So here you can give the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, you should give the number 2. Okay, and here 2, 4 and the leftover number is 1 and 3, 1 and the leftover number is 2. See, again it's so easy. From sixth question onwards, all the questions are so simple that everybody can answer. And you have more numbers, a lot of numbers in them, so that you can get your answers so quick. So that's all about this Sudoku. So that's all about this session, guys. If you like it, just give it like and share it to your friends. And if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. And not only these live streamings, we are also doing some videos in YouTube. So I'm making videos on the topic of the book word palm ADC, which is so helpful for your competitive exams. So if you're planning to study in abroad, you should write some competitive exams. So the vocabulary needed in it is there in this book, and I'm doing videos on it. So I wanted you all to even refer those videos so that I think they will be a lot helpful for you. So that's all about this session, guys. If you just like it, share it to your friends.